The phases of the moon. We see the moon almost every night in the night sky. But how much do you know about it? Sometimes the moon looks like it's very close, but it's actually very far away. It can be over 400,000 kilometers away at times. That means you can fit almost 32 Earths between our planet and the moon. Some astronauts have travelled to the moon. Think how far they've actually travelled through space in their small spacecraft to get there and back. It's amazing to think about, isn't it? Today we're going to look at the phases of the moon. I'm sure you know what a full moon is. This is the phase of the moon when the Earth is between the Sun and the moon. The whole side of the moon that is facing Earth is lit up by the Sun, so it looks like a full, perfect circle. The opposite of the full moon is the new moon. This is the phase when the moon is between Earth and the Sun. One side of the moon is still lit by the Sun, but we can't see it. The side that's facing Earth is dark. No sunlight reaches it at all. It takes approximately 28 days for the moon to orbit Earth. So during this time, the phases of the moon constantly change. If we begin at the new moon, the next phase is the waxing crescent. Then we see the half moon. After that, it's the waxing gibbous, and then it's the full moon. This is the halfway stage of the moon cycle. On the way back, the phases are similar, but it's like they happen in reverse. The next phase is the waning gibbous, then it's the half moon again, and finally you can see the waning crescent. After the 28 days, the new moon phase returns and it starts all over again. Do you think you can remember all that? Here's a trick to help you. Just remember that the waxing moon is getting bigger. It's moving towards a full moon. The waning moon is getting smaller, so it's moving towards a new moon.